All right, question number 4. What is the value of m? All right, so here is our equation, 12 plus in parentheses 7 plus m equals 30. All right, so as we look at this one, we do have parentheses, but notice there's not anything on the outside, and even the sign within it there is a plus sign, which means that if I was to distribute anything, it would be a positive 1. And so positive 1 really doesn't need to be distributed, so I can just rewrite this as 12 plus 7 plus m equals 30. Okay, so I can just rewrite that one right from the start and just drop those parentheses because the only thing that would be distributed would be a positive 1. All right, so adding all of my elements in to help me identify what I need to be working with. All right, so I'm putting my line where my equal sign is, and then I still need to box in my variable. Okay. All right. So I have no fractions or decimals to remove. I didn't have distributive property, but I do have like terms. Notice that I have 2 green circles over here on the left-hand side. So they just say 12 plus 7. That's a pretty straightforward one. So 12 plus 7 is going to give me 19. So I'm now going to have 19 plus m equals 30. Okay, so I have 19 plus m equals 30. And then I'm going to go back in and identify these so that I know what's what. There we go. All right, so this gets a box because it's a variable, and the other two are going to get circles because they are constants. So I have a circle and I have a circle. Okay, so there I've got those. So are there variables on both sides of the equal sign? Nope, one box, that's it. So are there constants on both sides? Yeah, I have a 19 on the left and a 30 on the right. I need to move away from the variable, so the 19 is going to be what I move, and that 19 is positive, so in order to move it, I am going to use subtraction. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 19 from both sides of that equal sign. All right, the 19s will cancel there on the left-hand side, which is what I need, which is going to leave me with just m. And it's nice because m doesn't have another coefficient this time. So once I do my addition on the, or subtraction on the other side, I just realized I wrote that as addition. That should be subtraction. Once I subtract that on the other side, 30 minus 19, that will give me an answer of 11. And so there is your answer for number 4.